How to set up Gmail SMTP server. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can set up a Gmail SMTP server. So having said that, let's jump into the video. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to come into your Gmail account and then go into manage your Google account. Going to open up the Google settings, and here you want to scroll down and just simply search for our password. This is it right here. So you want to click on it, open it up, make sure you enter in your password and verify it. Now over here, since we don't have any apps, we're going to go ahead and create one and remove name ID as SMTP and then click on create. And that's going to give us the password over here. So make sure you copy it and save it somewhere else. I'll just take a screenshot and then hit done. Next, we're going to come over here and we're going to set up this tool. We're going to use Gmail. This is the SMTP tool test, and we're going to fill that out. So here we paste our password, the one that we just copied, right? So pasted it, and here in the SMTP server, the website, just type in smtp.gmail.com, and in the port, you can type in 465. Actually, you notice it says right here at the bottom, and then security SSL, and here in the username, just type in your Gmail that you have over here. So let's say this is my Gmail, so I'll just copy that, and then here paste your email, the one that you have over here, and then here just type in the email that you aren't using. So then just hit the test over here, so hit the tested button, and we should be good to go. Scroll down, you can see right here everything looks good, connected to SMTP, and you can see right here I forgot I had to add like spaces between the passwords. I forgot, so we did it again. I created the SMTP again, and now once I hit the tested button, you can see right here everything looks good. And if we come over here onto the Gmail, we can see right here the SMTP test is approved. We have received the email. So there you go, and that's how you do it. That's how you set up a Gmail SMTP server. So thank you guys for watching. Cash enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.